If I tell you in a year you can create 13 months instead of 12 months by just getting up early. I know you feel like I sounds crazy, but seriously, you can create one extra month just by getting up early. How? We're going to understand in today's video. So let's start today's video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Ravi Khamar here. I am from my clinic, Dubai. I am a spine and joint specialist physiotherapist. So this is our ongoing series is going on for healthy habits, and we are going to understand today what all the benefits of getting up early and why you should get up early. So we're going to understand in details what can be the possible points and why you should get up early. Okay. Now if you are new to this, directly come to the video. I advise you just check it our full healthy habits video series from like video number 1. So step by step you can grasp the knowledge. At the same time it is very easy to digest and you can follow the process, so it will help you. Somewhere around you can find on the I button our video playlist series, full playlist series. You can see step by step. Anyway, before to go that let's start our today's video. So as I mentioned, we are going to understand what all the benefits of getting early. So first thing, getting up early, you are getting an extra ozone in the atmosphere, which is only and only possible in early morning. Usually in a day, this ozone is not available in any part of the day, but only in the morning before the full sun is coming, this ozone is considerably available in the atmosphere, and this ozone considerably more benefited than the normal oxygen which we actually take in our breathing. So if you actually go early, rise up early and just do the little bit breathing in that time, you can take the benefit of this ozone, which is very good for your health. So you can be fit with that. The next point, you feel too much of extra energy in your body. You feel like too much of extra overburden energy in your body. And as I mentioned, how you can create like extra time, I told you like in initial of the video, how you can create a 1 month extra. So if you see, if you can get up early just by 2 hours daily in 365 days, so usually you will get 730 hours. So that is considerably near about 30 days to 31 days. So that way you can create 1 extra month just by getting up early 2 hours daily, little bit early. So you will get an extra time. Okay. Nowadays I feel that people, they are not actually getting up early. Usually when they reach the home after finishing their work, they feel tired, they are lethargic, they are not able to spend quality time with your wife or family members. Why this is happening? Because they are not getting up early. I have observed that when you get up early, still after finishing your duty or finishing your work on a business, you still feel energetic and you have extra energy to give to your family and friends, and also it will benefit over your overall life and the quality of the life. That way you can take this extra energy for your benefit by just getting up early. Now we are moving to our third point, that is by getting up early you can feel there is an increased focus and increased concentration on yourself. So I will share you one very interesting fact that in the morning, that is considerably, there is an alpha state of mind which is very active. So when you get up early, usually your conscious and the subconscious mind actually because of this alpha state, it is very active. So if you want to do some complex activities or if you want to do some complex work, that is the best time to do this activity, because your brain, like subconscious and conscious, they are both are active, and it's very easy for you to digest the new complex concept in yourself. So that is our third benefit. Now let's move to our fourth benefit. I have observed, if you getting up early, you get extra time to prepare very healthy breakfast. Okay. Now usually what happens, you get up just before going for office time. You are in a rush, you are in a hurry, so you might be not having that extra time to prepare healthy breakfast or prepare some juices or something. So you just go out, grab something fast food like burger or something, and you just go to the office. So that way indirectly you are putting something junk food which is not good for your body. And if you getting up early, you always have an extra time to prepare some nourishing fresh juices or like chopping some fresh fruits, and that will be very beneficial. So that is another benefit of getting up early. Now we are moving to the fifth, and that benefit, like when you actually getting up early, there is a drastically, the science say there is the quality of your sleep which is going to be enhanced like anything. And if I observe, if I tell you, I have seen some of the people, they are regularly getting up early. You feel that quality of the sleep, it's like drastically increased, and that experience personally I also feel that when I am getting up early, I feel even with 6 hours of sleep, I feel so much of energy instead of when I am getting up at 8 a.m. or something like that. So that is my personal experience, I feel. The sixth point is that when people actually getting up early, I have observed that psychologically where they are actually at the higher level of intellectual. So usually if I tell you that they are having very good decision power, they can take decision very fast, they can solve very complex problem very easy manner, they can organize very nicely, they can lead the team very nicely. The psychological and intellectual level, that is very enhanced. So you can understand there are bunch of psychological benefits you will get into this kind of people. I'll tell you my personal example. Before sometimes I'm not getting up early or something. That time I don't feel good, and at the same time when I'm getting up early, that good ideas come to my mind, and I observe in my life whatever the complex problems arise and whatever something creative I actually create in my life. That all ideas usually comes in the morning when I get up early and something write it down, and that's actually comes in my mind. So you can take a benefit of that, and your slowly by slowly your intellectual and psychological level enhanced to the next stage that will help you to lead very healthy and successful life. And we are reaching to our seventh and the last benefit. So when you're actually getting up early, so definitely as I mentioned, you will get extra time for your personal self. Personal self means sometimes we feel that we are actually making excuse we should do the exercise, we should do some breathing technique, we should do some yoga, or we should do some meditation. But due to the lack of time, when we actually not getting up early, we need to rush to the office, we need to go to our work, we need to go to school or college. So when you get up early, there is always extra time for yourself to do exercise, to do some kind of meditation, yoga or breathing technique. So that way also you get a lot of benefit when you get up early by having an extra time for yourself. And one more thing interesting fact I'll tell you, time with yourself. I observe the people sometimes in the life they are exhausted with so much of stress. They have so many problems to solve, but they don't know where to solve the problem. So when you're getting up early, there is an extra time you have. So you can focus on one area of the life or one problem of your life, and you can understand the problem in the depth, and you can find the possible solution. And that way you might come out of that problem very easily. So that is the biggest advantage. Sometimes people actually stuck in the life, and might be they find some solution and they can solve the problem, and they can totally change their life and the level of their life at an extra next level. Okay, so that is overall benefits of getting up early. There are so many of much benefits of getting up early, but I try my best to not just summarize the best of the best point. So you will understand why you should get up early and why this habit of getting up early is very essential to lead a healthy lifestyle. If you feel this video is adding some value in your life, make sure to like the button and as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will not miss any of our future notification. At the same time, if you feel in your friends, family, someone also trying to get up early and you want to make them to get up early, just share this video to them so they will also understand what kind of the benefits just by getting up early they can have. So might be they start to get up early as well. So with that one, I'll just take a leave from today's video. If you feel this video is something worth enough, make sure to like again and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.